Oh, way to go. Don Ezekiel Kaligatan, Superior Arc Bebot, Ozam Ashley. Awesome Ashley, the leader, followed by Kaligatan, Don Ezekiel, Superior Arc, running by the release Kiss Me, and moving up is Bebot, My Sweet Leonora, Dugu's favorite, fourth last alongside is Andorra, live in Manila, and Royal Aires is running at the tail of the field, Kaligatan, followed now by Kiss Me in second. Superior Arc racing on the outside, rushing up Ozam Ashley, Bebot, My Sweet Leonora, Don Ezekiel, Dugu's favorite, Andorra, live in Manila, and Royal Aires still running at the tail of the field as they race the last 450. Kaligatan, Superior Arc, Kiss Me is done on the inside, Bebot down on the inside is My Sweet Leonora. It's now Kaligatan, Kiss Me at the center, Bebot, My Sweet Leonora down on the inside. Kiss Me, My Sweet Leonora is running by the rail and nearing the finish line. Kiss Me, and moving up, Dugu's favorite in between runners to grab the lead, and finally Dugu's favorite, My Sweet Leonora, Kiss Me. 9 Bebot and Royal Aires.